Hello everyone, I am Vitesh from Record.io. In this video, I will show you how to create a menu in Android Studio. So we will create this simple menu in a simple app, and you can see one option as share, and it shows up the intent, share intent. So we will create this app, and I will follow this blog link down in the description of this video. So we'll follow this blog and create the app. So let's get started. So let's create a new project. Select Antiviews activity and click on next. I will name the app as menu app XML, and I'll leave everything as default and click on finish. So our project is being created. It's loading. So our project is ready. Now I'll add the menu icon which we'll be using for the menu. So the icon will show here. So right click on the drawable folder, then go to new and select vector asset and click on this clip art and search for menu. You will see this menu icon, click on it and click on OK. Let's change the name to simply menu and keep everything default, and let's click on next and finish. So the icon is added. Now from the blog we will copy the code to add it over here. The menu icon, we'll remove the hello bot, and here is the menu. Let's constant it. So we have constant it. So now we'll create the option menu. So to create a new menu file, click on new and right click on rest, click on new and select Android resource file. Name the file as menu and set the resource type as menu and click on OK. So you see this new folder and you get a new file for the menu. You can see here you can add all the menu options you want to show. So we'll simply copy the option. This is the option and this is the item. If you want more options, so you can just add more item just like that. Let me show you. As you can see, each of the item is shown as a separate option. Now we just want to show a single option for share button, so let's keep as it is and move to the next step. So now we'll set up the view binding. To set up view binding, open the Gradle scripts and open build.gradle module level. Now from the block we'll copy the build feature, and in the Android block, this one, we'll paste it. So we'll paste it right here and sync the project with Gradle files. Next, what I need to do is implement the view binding in main activity. So we will open up the main activity here and just paste it like that. We'll remove this code, and from here we'll copy this and set up the view binding in the onCreate function. So first we need to import it. So the project is synced. Now the activity main binding is working now. So we have set the content view as binding.root. So we'll remove this line of code and our binding is ready. Let's move to the next step. Now we'll create the function to show the pop-up menu. So from the block we'll copy this show pop-up menu function and paste it inside the class outside of onCreate function, and we'll import this. And this is the option menu we have already created over here. You can see. Let me set the name correctly. So we'll create the send content function next. So from the block we will copy this block of code and initiate this show pop-up menu function whenever the menu button is clicked. So whenever the menu button will be clicked, this function will run. So let's do it right here. Sorry, let me copy this and paste it here. So whenever the menu button will be clicked, this function will run up, as you can see here. Now let's create the share content function. So we'll grab the code and paste it here. So this, let's import it. So this function will show up that share intent as you saw in the introduction. So that will run whenever this share button will be clicked, which we have added in the menu, as you can see over here. When this will be clicked, this function will run and the share menu will show up. with this message. So our app is ready with all these steps. It's a simple app. Let me explain a bit. We first added the menu icon, and then added the menu in the activity main.xml, so that it shows up in the top right corner. Next, we created the menu.xml file where you can add as many items as you want. We have added one item for the share button, so that's there. Now next, we set up the activity main binding, and once the binding is ready, we created the show pop-up menu function, which will inflate the menu, this one, and show off whenever this button is clicked. So that's what we have done here. And when the share button is clicked, this function will run, which will show the share menu. So our app is ready. Let's run it and see if it's working or not. So our app was built successfully, and as you can see, if you click on here, the share button shows up with the menu, and when you click the share button, the share option shows up. So this is all for this video. You can download the source code of this app from the link in the description of this video, and don't forget to check out the blog where all the code blocks are already presented. You can just copy paste and create your menu easily. So thanks for watching. That's all for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.